In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer refund in Xero 5 minutes. We'll move from logging in to recording the overpayment during bank reconciliation and finally issuing the cash refund so your customer balance and bank match perfectly. First, sign into your Xero account and click Login. Enter your login details and complete any security prompts. Once you're in the dashboard, make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. Head to your bank account and open reconcile items. Find the bank line that represents the money that needs to be refunded to your customer. You'll match this to the relevant customer transaction, so select the invoice or customer you're refunding and click Match. Now, instead of completing the reconciliation straight away, choose New Transaction, then pick Receive Money. In the transaction form, change the type from direct payment to overpayment. This tells Xero that the money received is more than what was owed, creating a customer credit you can refund. Double check the contact, description, and amount so they line up with the bank line. Click Save Transaction and then complete the reconcile. At this point, the overpayment is recorded and tied to your statement line. Next, go to the business menu and choose Invoices. Locate and open the customer's invoice or the related credit balance. From there, look for the option to make a cash refund. This is where you turn that overpayment into an actual refund that leaves your bank account. Enter the refund date and select the bank account the money is coming from. For clean reconciliation later, use the actual date the refund was paid in the same bank account that will appear on your statement. If you want, add a reference such as a short note or a payment ID to make the audit trail clearer for you and your team. When everything looks correct, click Add Refund to post it. To confirm you're done, the customer will now show a reduced or cleared credit balance, and your bank reconciliation will align with both the incoming overpayment and the outgoing refund. If something doesn't look right, retrace the amounts and dates and ensure the contact and bank account are accurate. That's it. Your customer refund is created in Xero, correctly recorded against the bank, and fully traceable in your invoices and reports.